Here's problem 5 from the 2014 AMC 8. Margie's car goes 32 miles on a gallon of gas. And gas costs $4 per gallon. How many miles can Margie drive on $20 worth of gas? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the money. Margie has $20. And each gallon of gas costs $4. So she can buy 20 divided by 4, which is 5 gallons of gas. Now use the mileage. Her car goes 32 miles on each gallon. With 5 gallons, she can drive 5 times 32, which equals 160 miles. So Margie can drive 160 miles. The answer is 160, which is choice C.